The vertical color mixer is constructed of thickened stainless steel, boasting a smooth surface that facilitates cleaning when changing materials and colors. It is capable of being utilized for mixing and stirring plastic particles, powders, mineral oil, and other materials. The machine employs a unique design to prevent material splashing, and the thickened blades are capable of thoroughly mixing materials within the barrel in all directions, even for viscous mineral oil and powder. This device can also be personalized. For more details, please contact us.